Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to create a custom drum kit on a Roland TD11. So as you can see right here, I have my Roland TD11 electronic drum set. This is actually the TD11K, but regardless of the specific model, it still uses the standard Roland TD11 drum module over here. So I'm going to show you how to create your own custom kit. The first thing that you have to do is turn the Roland TD11 module on. And the next thing that you have to do is scroll through and pick out a specific kit number. So this might be a little bit hard to see on the camera, but right now it's on kit 42. But you can scroll, and if you want to create a custom kit, I would suggest choosing one that says user kit. So these are the ones that don't have any, well, they have predefined sounds, but they are all standard. It's one standard kit that is just repeated over and over. So I'm going to choose let's say 32, kit number 32, it says user kit. So now I'm on kit 32. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to name the kit. So I know what the kit is all about. So I'm going to hit the menu button and I'm going to dictate the entire process because I know it might be hard to see with this camera. So I hit the menu button and now I am hitting the name button. And now that I am on the name button, I can rename the kit. So right now it says user kit. For the sake of this video and just to make it go by quickly, I'm going to name it mic kit, just to make it go by quickly. So M-I-K and then E. So we have now named it mic kit. So now that I have named the kit and it is named mic kit, I can hit the exit button. And that brings me back to this main menu for the kit. Now I'm going to tap the left button that says INST with the picture of a drum. I'm going to hit that button right there. And this is where you can actually customize the sounds of your kit. So this is the basic process. You are going to use a drumstick to strike one of the sound pads on your electronic drum set. So let's say I'm going to strike the snare drum. So I hit the snare drum, and now if you can see right here on the screen, it says snare A, and it says snare right here. So this over here is the pad that you are currently editing, and this is the current sound. So I don't know how well the camera depicts this, but right now it says Vintage Bright S, which I'm assuming stands for Vintage Bright Snare. Now, I can actually turn the dial, and every time that I turn the dial, it will give me a different sound. So I'm going to turn it once, just like that, and now it says Light Steel S, which once again, I'm assuming stands for Light Steel Snare. So now when I strike the snare drum, it will make the sound of a light steel snare. So you can actually just scroll through and choose the specific sound that you want. So I can scroll through, it says light brass snare, 7-inch deep snare. So you can continue scrolling and choose the exact sound that you want. And you can do the same thing with every other pad. So let's say I wanted to edit the sound of my first rack tom here. I would strike that first rack tom, and now you can see that it says Tom 1 right over there on top of my thumb. And then it shows right now, once again, I don't know if the camera will allow you to see this, but it says 10-inch maple Tom 1. So I can scroll through and, now it says 12-inch maple Tom 2. So now this Tom right here, if I were to hit it right now, and you could hear it, it's connected to the headphones, but if you could hear, it would make the sound of a 12-inch maple Tom 2 on the one that is programmed into the drum module. So that is basically how you customize a kit. And I just wanted to point out one last thing. Let's say I were to strike this tom over here, so the second rack tom right there. Now I am editing, as you can see right here, Tom 2. Now you can see that it says Tom A. So right now the sounds that I'm scrolling through are from the Tom A selection of sounds. Let's say I didn't want that to make the sound of a tom. I could actually scroll through, and I'm continuing through all of the Tom A sounds. Now I'm on the Tom B sounds. Continue scrolling. Hi-hat B, crash, a continuous scrolling, and let's say I wanted it to make a percussion sound, the sound of a different type of percussion instrument. So now I can scroll through, and for instance, I can, right now, it says cowbell right there. So if I were to hit that tom, it would make the sound of a cowbell. So you are not limited to the specific pad that you are striking. For instance, I can allow this tom to make the sound of a hi-hat. So I can use a drum to make the sound of a cymbal. I can use the cymbal to make the sound of a drum. It is absolutely limitless, and that is the coolest thing about this. You can literally completely customize your own drum kit. And once you have finished customizing the sounds of all of the pads, you can simply hit the exit button right here once, and that takes you back to this menu, and then the exit button a second time, and that's it. And as you can see right now, I'm using kit number 32, which I have named Mic Kit, and I customized a few of the sounds, but I could have customized all of the pads on the electronic drum kit. And it's literally that simple. That is how you create a custom drum kit on a Roland TD11. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.